I'm in it. They need me in there. Thank you, it's all right. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and I'm gonna show you guys my not quite 100,000 mile Harley-Davidson CVO Road King. I just got it. I'm pretty pumped. This is not quite my maiden voyage, but it's kind of my maiden voyage. Put on my gardening gloves. Yeah. All right. There's a windshield for this thing. There is a leather tour pack for this thing. There's a backrest for it. I took all that stuff off, although I do love that backrest. A lot of people, I hear a lot of people, and they're like, and I used to be one of those people. A lot of people are like, oh, Harley-Davidsons, they're not reliable. Not everything breaks down. But for the fact that I've got an 08 Harley-Davidson Road King, and not just a regular Road King. This is the CVO Rupio Custom Vehicle Operations. This is the bad boy. This is the one that, like, this is the one that all the guys want to be, all the Harleys want to be like, and all the girl bikes want to think they can change. Let me get on it up here for you a little bit. 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle. So I love this bike. It's tons of fun to drive. I'm a big fan of Road Kings. I can actually drive this bike and talk to you guys and not be distracted and just be trying to listen to music the whole time. Now listen, I know what all you guys are gonna say. Yo, Sean, you're riding sneaks. You're wearing sneaks on your feet. I know, I left my boots at home. I'm not gonna say it's a great idea. But in situations where you're like, I have to, what are you gonna do? Ooh. So unlike my last Road King that had 117 on it, that I just sold, I love that bike too. This one's the CVO. And they didn't make a CVO Road King before that. So in the year that I had the other one, they didn't have a CVO Road King. Oh man, one of my like leather straps on my shirt, my jacket is just flapping around, hitting me while I ride. And just so you guys can see how much I use the rear brake, I put my as far away from the rear brake. Oh, I could have used the rear brake like with my heel. I guess that'd be a thing, I guess. So this bike is a 6-speed, which honestly I couldn't care less. It's all about the final drive ratio. And if it has enough power, the Boss Haas is like 2-speed. No one's ever like, oh man, no one's complaining about it because it's got tons of power. The only guys who ever complained about the Goldwing not having enough power, I meant not having enough gears, were people who didn't ride Goldwings. They were like, oh man, I'm not gonna buy a Goldwing because it is only a 5-speed, and they're used to some other bike. All the Goldwing riders were like, didn't even notice it. Oh, it's only 5 speeds? I don't know. They're cruising 140 miles an hour on the highway at like 7,000 RPMs, and they're like, oh, it's only a 5-speed? But this is a 6-speed. So what this allows me to do is make the people who only have 5 speeds just a little bit jealous, and I'd be like, oh yeah, I got a 6-speed, you don't. But honestly, I don't think it's any big deal. Another thing that this one has that my other Road King did not have is cruise control. Let's see if it's all right. There we go. And this allows you to ride with, look ma, no hands, which allows me all the time to do like puppets and birds and things. And so if you were let's say you were looking at buying a Harley, and the question is, do miles really matter? Miles do matter in terms of value. Obviously, it wouldn't make any sense to pay the same amount of money for a Harley-Davidson with 100,000 miles as you would pay for a Harley-Davidson with 20,000 miles. Now, if you had to tell me like, all right, Sean, there's 2 bikes, and I'm like, okay, all right, there's 2 bikes. They're both 20 years old, so that would make it, they're both 98s. Is that right? No, like, yeah, let's say they're both 18 years, they're both 2000s. One has 100,000 miles, and the other one has 7 miles on it. Which one would you hop on and drive right now and do a long trip on? Well, that's really easy. That's a really easy one. I'm gonna jump on that 100,000 mile Road King because I know it's been ran, and bikes that have not been run scare me more than bikes that have been run, because bikes are not made to be sitting, and you start getting different problems with that. You're not getting wear problems. The problems you're getting are, there's a family of rats chewing up my wiring harness, or the rubber and the seals were dry rotted. You know, you can get different problems. But if it was a 20,000 mile, okay, so I'm trying to collect my thoughts. So miles don't scare me when it comes to buying a Harley-Davidson or most bikes. All that really matters is how it was maintained. But higher miles do make it worth less, just like a car. And when I say worth less, there's a space, not worthless. Not worthless, worth space, less. Less worth money. Worth less money. So, but something like this, but a CVO, let's say a normal CVO of this year has 20,000 miles on it, 40,000 miles on it. One with 98,000 miles in the same condition. Let's say the other one is worth 15. I would say this would be worth 8, 85, something, you know what I mean? Like an amount that makes it like, wow, that's way cheaper than the other one. That makes sense, because I'm going to save 8,000 bucks, and if it breaks, I've just saved 8,000 bucks, and then I can replace the whole motor, and then I've got a brand new motor in mine, and that one only had a 40,000 or 50,000 mile motor in his. So it's kind of a win-win. Win-win-win-win. Alright guys, that wraps it up. I am actually headed to Lancaster City, the big city, and I'm gonna be in a music video. And my Harley. They said, bring a Harley. Look like a biker. I gotta go grab my shoes, but they said, bring a Harley, look like a biker. You're gonna be in a music video. And I was like, all right. All right. So, we'll see how that goes. We'll catch you guys later. Remember guys, not what you're riding, but where you're going. Alright, so I gotta get this block up here. They're sending everyone away. I'm supposed to be there. My bike's too fat to lane split. Oh, there's a spot. I can get on this side. Yeah. Yeah, I can do that. Just gotta sneak my way in here. It's okay, guys. I'm going to the thing. Don't mind me. I'm just getting in front of everybody. I am aware the road is closed. But that's where I'm going. We'll see how this plays out. I'm in it. They need me in there. Thank you, it's all right. What the heck? What did I sign up for? Hold up. There you go. What's up, man?
Thanks for coming, man.
What's happening?
You're gonna be here. We're gonna let you know when you brought that GoPro. That's awesome. We'll let you know. The big bear thing is probably gonna be too distracting, so we're gonna toss that. But I do have a small bear. Might give you at one point or another.
All right. So where am I supposed to be?
This is the whole extra.
I'm just gonna park over there.
Yeah, for now and hang out.
All right.
Get ready.
Yeah.
That's Carly over there, so she'll give you more info.
Yeah. Where's my sandwich?
I have a sandwich for you.
All right.
Yeah. Where'd you put the sandwich?
What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes. And listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.